Well, we're supposed to be leaving today, and it's raining, but it's not going to rain for much longer. We're charting our course down to New Smyrna. So we go down, that's where we are, right there, in Marineland. We go down to, probably going to stop at right here. That's next to cross from Ponce Marina. That's the dunes. No, it's not dunes. I forget what it was. Anyways, there's they got a pump out there that works. And then down the ICW, Flagler Beach into Daytona. Now in Daytona, there's anchor spots in here, or we can keep going, and it's 6 hours down to New Smyrna. And let's see, we'll zoom out a little bit. That's Daytona there. And where are we? There. Okay, so that's over here is the inlet, Ponce Inlet. And we're coming down the ICW this way, and there's a spot called Rockhouse Creek, and we anchor right about there. So that's our plan.